Wire guardians work especially well with wire and alternative stringing materials such as silk thread, cotton or nylon, or any other material that is easily frayed.
So I've cut myself a piece of 0.38 tiger tail jewellery wire, and I'm going to show you how to use a wire guardian. Here we have our jewellery wire, so we attach our crimp bead. We also have our jump ring, and here we have the wire guardian. So we're just going to thread that through there. It's going to be very hard for you to see. So we have a crimp bead, jump ring and the wire guardian. So what we're going to do is thread back through the wire guardian on the other side. There we go, and we pull. I'm just going to put the bead clip on the end. Crimp bead keeps falling off while I'm trying to show you. So here we have our jump ring. Here we have, let's put the light on. So obviously this is going to go, the jump ring is going to go here. We are then going to take our crimp bead and thread the wire through, like so. So you're now left crimp bead, wire guardian with this on the end, our pliers, and then at the top we're going to squeeze the crimp bead, and that's ready for you to put your crimp bead cover on. So that is what a wire guardian does, because in the end it will wear away, so it just prevents wearing away and fraying. And I sell these in packs of 25 on the website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.